Hey guys, now in Melbourne you can actually get a City Loop which goes around the outside of the city on the tram, and it's quite a good idea because it's free. So usually if you want to figure out where you want to go, the free tram is quite good. You can pick them up pretty much anywhere on the green and yellow line on most of the tourist maps you see, and if you jump on, you can jump off anywhere. The trip around is about 12 minutes, and it's basically it just goes around and around, so if you do miss what you must stop, you just jump off and do it. As I said, yeah, quite a good idea to jump off and have a look around what you want and get familiar with the city. So what I'll do is I'll take some photos of the trip around and some of the highlights, and then you guys can have a look. Anyway, other than that, it's a really nice day here, so hopefully we'll get some good shots. Okay guys, sorry about the noise in the background, but I didn't realise the wind had so much effect on the microphone. Now, it's a 12-minute loop, you can jump off whenever you want to. Really well worth it if you're first time in Melbourne, because it gives you a good idea of basically what to see and what to do. The commentary that they have playing in the background is really, really useful. And then I quite enjoy it, because you can actually sit down, rest your feet, and look at the scenes go by. It's no mean fast, and the actual trams they use are historic trams, so they are a bit noisier and a bit clunkier than normal, and they don't go as fast, but hey, you're not there for the speed, you're there for the scenery. As I said, it's free, and you'll see on the map I put on at the start of the recording that you can pretty much pick it up anywhere in the central city on the outside, and it's well worth it. And again, I apologise for the wind noise, I just didn't realise it actually affected it that bad. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do next, but I'll figure something out. Other than that, I hope you guys are alright, and talk to you soon.